Let's review how to use the PDF editor page of Toolkit.law. Select the Suite section, then the Creative Suite, and open the PDF editor page. Here, legal professionals can edit, organize, and secure PDF documents quickly and efficiently. The page features 29 easy-to-use accordions, including tools like Add Text, Highlight, Exhibit Labeling, Merge Files, Split, Password Add, Organize Pages, and more. Each accordion opens with its own title bar, featuring helpful icons for share and AI features. Inside, you'll find a clean content area and toolbar for uploading, editing, and managing your PDFs. For example, in the Merge Files accordion, upload documents from Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or local storage, add multiple files, combine them, add pagination, then download, clear, or undo changes, all while connecting directly to the Productivity Suite. You can also share securely via web link, print, email, or provide feedback. Each tool streamlines workflows, ensures accuracy, and saves time. Opening a new accordion closes the previous one for a clean, focused workspace. The PDF editor lets legal teams prepare filings, redact sensitive information, assemble exhibits, and organize documents all securely and efficiently. The PDF editor is the complete replacement for Adobe Acrobat Professional. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's PDF editor page.